right? I'm going to do it just this way because what I'm trying to do is to make sure that I do this in order. If I do this, if I number my files correctly, it's going to go in chronological order. So I'm going to let the video play some more. Screen's going to change again. I'm going to say, oh, I'd like to take a picture of this one. So I'm going to click Control F. And then I'm going to call this one 0002. Now, again, I know a number of you all have seen me do this before. So iPhone screen, I'm going to call this 2. I'm going to let this play. I'm going to call this one, I'm going to hit Control F. I'm going to call this 0003. iPhone screen 3. Now, again, I don't have to call it. I can call it whatever I want, right? The most important part is that I named it and numbered it 0003. I'll just do this once more for good measure, right? So we'll come here. I'll click Control F. And then what I'll do is I'll click 0004. I'll put iPhone screen 4, right? Click Save. Right, so now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to just do away with this for now. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go inside of that folder. Right, but before I do that, let's go ahead. Let's open up a PowerPoint presentation. And basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click Insert. I'm going to insert a photo album. I'm going to go to that folder where I put those files. Right? I need to find them myself here now, right? Right, so now I'm going to go and pick up all those files. And again, remember, I named these in chronological order. So